What's going on, everybody? I'm your host, the Supreme Litigant, and I'd like to welcome all of y'all back to Smart Low TV. I do apologize because I have been gone for a while, but I'm trying to live stream from YouTube, so I'm trying to get all that down packed, and I want to make sure that my internet service is really good. So until then, I will be live streaming on Blog Talk Radio. I have a show on the 20th. I think that's Wednesday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So just tune in to the show. And on that particular show, I'm gonna be telling y'all how to sue the police, and you can call in with questions and I'll answer. But if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. This video, I made this video specifically um, in support of Yusef L's video of what he made a video of today actually called "What is a Sovereign Citizen," so to speak, which is a misnomer, by the way. But people really don't know what's going on here, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you these cases. Okay. So let me go down here because I do a lot of research and I get a lot of my case laws from the site that you just saw. But I want y'all to see this stuff right here, man. Okay, this is the case that I'm about to show you right here. See this case right here that I'm highlighting? That's the case that's on the next screen that I'm about to show you. I'm not going to go over the whole entire case, but I'm going to show you where basically the judiciary, or in other words, these judges they're basically saying this. So basically, um, there's an argument that the 11th Amendment nullified um, the holding, in this case right here, which is Chisholm versus Georgia, where it basically said that the people are sovereign, and that's just not true. Um, and basically, this is an opinion that actually recognizes that right there. If you read that, that's basically what it says. You can pause it and read it or whatever. And I want to show you that this is the actual case right here that I'm going back to. And I'm going to scroll down to the case where it says that at. I'm not going to go over the whole entire case. But you can see right here, this is where they start discussing the 11th Amendment and the power of the judicial branch of government. Okay. So we scroll down a little bit more. And this is where that holding is right here. The people adopted the 11th Amendment to nullify the Supreme Court's holding in Chisholm versus Georgia. See that right there? Yet the underlying principles of the Constitution, as explained by the Supreme Court, remain unchanged. The people, not their governments, are sovereign. You see that? They already know this stuff, man. They already know this stuff, man. The people are the supreme source of all government authority. I want y'all to understand that. Let me tell you something else that they not gonna tell y'all. Public servants, and when I say public servants, I'm only referencing legislators for right now. But legislators, they can only propose amendments and submit those amendments to be approved by their masters. You have the servants, and the people are the masters. They need your permission to do whatever it is that they're trying to do. They need your permission. The reason that they need your permission is because you are sovereign. That's why they need your permission. So the people, whenever the fuck they get ready, the people can tear up the Constitution. I mean, they can do that right now if they want to, and write a whole nother one right now if they want to, because the people are sovereign. So let me go back and let me show y'all some more of this stuff, man. Let me tell y'all something, man. Look, see this? This is another case right here. Right here. Let me scroll down a little bit more. It says, in the United States, the people are sovereign. The government does not convey rights to the people, but instead, it is the people who convey power to the government. This is because the people are sovereign. So to all you police officers out there who don't know law, because 9 out of 10 of you don't know law, you don't go to law school, you don't know what's going on. Okay. You are not enforcing law. You are enforcing public policy. And public policy only applies to public servants. Notice I said policy. There are two, whether y'all know it or not, there are two judicial branches. One is a part of the government and the other one is not. The one that is a part of the government is called the Supreme Court. Okay. Out of the first three branches of government, I'm sorry, out of all of the three branches of government, the judiciary has the final say on what is the law and what is not the law. And people, I want y'all to understand that the people have the final say on what the judiciary decides is the law and is not the law. People can nullify whatever the fuck they want to nullify because they are sovereign. And they not gonna tell y'all that. They want to call you a sovereign citizen. They want to tell you that you think that the law don't apply to you, and that's not what we say. We're saying that these statutes, which is public policy, does not apply to us. You don't know what a person is. You won't know until you read the statute. But they are enforcing public policy. Public policy. So anyway, this is just a video right here of just all the case law, all of it. And if you want to, like, I can pull up all of these cases right now and show you. But it's like 41 pages of it, so I'm not gonna go through all that. But this is just so much case law, so much case law that tells you that there's a distinction between a U.S. citizen and a state citizen, and that tells you that the people are sovereign. Matter of fact, let's see who's sovereign. Let's see who's sovereign. I'm gonna type this in case text. Case text is it's like a legal encyclopedia, like a legal encyclopedia. We're gonna pull up all these cases, and they're gonna show you that the people are sovereign. All of these cases, no matter where you go, gonna say the people are sovereign. They're gonna say the people are sovereign. See this? In Missouri, the people are sovereign. See that right there? Y'all see this? In Missouri, the people are sovereign. The immunity is theirs. Do you see this? The people are sovereign. They cannot bring you into any of these administrative courts and prosecute you for allegedly breaching public policy. They can't do that. They will, but they can't. Anyway, let's go on down. Let's go on down. Just scroll down. A fundamental concept of our government is that the people are sovereign and possess all of the powers of sovereignty. See this? This is in Texas. You see this shit? They already know this. You are sovereign. So let me ask you something. What sense does it make to y'all? Because it doesn't make any sense to me. So they saying that the people are not sovereign. Okay, so if the people are not sovereign, then how can they create a state that is sovereign? It makes no sense. It makes zero sense. None. Period. Makes no sense. You sovereign, man. They're not gonna tell y'all this. The reason that they're not gonna tell y'all this is because these people want a one world government. And I don't know if y'all notice, but y'all need to read. Let me see if I can find. I'm not gonna read it, but I would advise y'all to read it. I'm not gonna read it on here because it's kind of too long. Let's go on here on Google right quick, and I'm gonna show y'all this executive order that y'all need to read. I think it's 14067. I think it was from Joe Biden. Yeah, it's from Joe Biden. Let's see. I think this is it right here. This, if I'm not mistaken, this is the executive order that is going. Yeah, that's it. That's the order right there. It is implementing the cashless society to where the money is is converted from money of exchange, which is tangible, to money of account, which is just numbers on the screen. Because that's basically what it is right now. Most of the so-called money is money of account. It's just it's all credit. Yeah, I mean, there's no money anyway. Everything is credit. But anyway, y'all need to read this executive order. This is y'all need to read this executive order. But anyway, that'll be the end of this video, man. Make sure y'all follow. Make sure y'all tune in Wednesday, this Wednesday at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time to listen to my show because I'm going to tell y'all how to sue the police. I'm going to tell y'all how I successfully sued the police. It's pretty easy. The Supreme Litigant is out. Peace.